Just dropped earnings. I think they have. They're kind of trading this aftermarket right now. Let me bring this. They're just testing a huge support level here at this 880 is kind of the aftermarket low. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna watch that area closely. I'm willing to go either way. You know, if we see a move through that area, it's sustained, I'll take that one short. If we see a big reversal in that area, I would take that one long. So that's much more of a reactionary trade, but definitely opportunity there. Tesla testing a huge pivot on earnings. I do still like this TSM long. It just needs a market pivot. Mm-hmm. You know, it's none of these stocks are gonna break out when the market's selling the way it is. But this one, you know, gapped to all-time highs on a big earnings beat, and then it's just been selling off with the market. It's just, you know, a factor of the market weakness. Mm-hmm. So the second the market puts in a real pivot, I expect this one to really take off to the long side. Mm-hmm. Other than that, you know, just taking it day by day. I don't have a ton of things on my watch list. You got anything going on over there?
Really, the only thing is just this PAYC, and that's, again, this is, you know, if it can turn up back up through like that 320, 340 area in time. But this is not something that I'm looking to get into. Like, it needs to really start to base out. But this is one where if it can start to base out, like the TSM, like it's based out so well that back up through that 127, 128 area, like looks so good. Where this PAYC is just still in this downtrend where if it can eventually start to base out and respect this like 300 area and start to trade between 300 and 340 and form that little, you know, base there to look to add up through it, that would be one that I'll, you know, keep on the radar. But it's very, you know, very slim right now. It's hard to really be gung-ho putting risk on when markets jump up.
Yeah, too early. You don't want to be too early right now.
Yeah.